What's your name?
Me.
No, that's your age. What's your name? Paris what? Paris, your last name. What's your last name? Paris Valencia.
No.
Paris Toys. Hi, Miss Toys. Ah, where's Jeslyn? Oh, over there, because she's just a baby. She can't swing yet. Couple more months. Swing your feet. Swing your legs up, down. Yeah, like that. So you could keep it moving. All the way to the sky, Paris?
Yeah.
Let's see the sky. Ah. Ah. Whee.